Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here on this problem we are given that a water cannon is delivering fresh water at the rate 1400 gallon per minute, and this angle theta we are given to be as 20 degree, and now we have to calculate the force exerted by the pavement on the tires of the truck. So this force F we have to calculate, and to solve this problem we can use Newton's second law of motion, that is sigma Fx would be equals to m dash delta Vx, and the diameter of the nozzle d we are given to be as 2 inch. So in x direction we have only one force, that is F, that we have to calculate. So F would be equals to m dash delta Vx. So final velocity minus the initial velocity. Initial velocity we have 0, and final velocity we have v cosine theta. We are just taking the component of this velocity in the x direction. This one is our x direction. Now next we'll be calculating the value v, velocity. So for that we know that discharge is equals to area times the velocity, and discharge we are given to be as 1400 gallon per minute. So we'll be converting the units into feet cube per second. So 1400, 1 gallon means 231 inch cube. So 231 inch cube. Now next we'll be converting the inch into feet. So we'll be dividing it with 12 to the power 3 times. Now this unit is in gallon per minute. We want the answer in feet cube per second. So we have to divide it with 60 to convert minute into 60. So this is cube. Now area we have pi by 4 d square. Now diameter we have 2 inch. We'll be converting the units. So it would be 2 divided by 12 and it's squared times the velocity. So from here we'll get the velocity to be 143 feet per second. So this is the velocity of the fresh water that is coming out from the nozzle. Now next we can calculate this m dash, that is mass flow rate. So m dash would be equals to density times the discharge. So density we have for water, it is 62.4 pound per meter cube, sorry, per feet cube, but we'll be converting the units, so we'll divide with 32.4, so that we get the unit of mass times the mass density basically, times q is this much as it is. We can copy paste here. So 1400 times 231 divided by 1728 times 60. This 12 cube means 1728. So we'll get m dash to be 6.04 pound second per feet. Now we have calculated all the values, so we can plug it here to calculate the force F. So we'll get F will be equals to m dash we have 6.04 times v is 143 cosine 20 degree. So cosine 20 degree. So we're going to solve this and we'll get the force to be nearly 812 pound. So this is the force that was asked in the question. That is the force exerted by the pavement on the tires of the truck. So this is the final solution. I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.